What's up, dudes? You trying to take off your seat but you don't know what to do? I'm gonna tell you right now. You get a T27 or 25, not really sure, because Harbor Freight decides not to mark their Torx screwdrivers. You get your ratchet along with your E16. Quick overview of what we're gonna do. I believe there's a little, this tab right here is held in by a little tab. Look, I even got the black gloves to be professional. You know, I even planned out what tools we're gonna need, and I wanted to show you guys because I need to start doing more tutorial videos. Taking off the seat, not too hard, pretty quick job, in under like 10, 15, 20 minutes. If it's your first time, take it slow, take it easy. If you're taking off the seat, you can now do things like vacuum the interior. You can also adjust your seat twist if you have a seat twist. So we're gonna just go ahead and start by zapping these off real quick. And because I'm lazy, I'm not gonna use the ratchet. If you guys have a ratchet and you're not lazy, use it. But for me, I'm gonna ugga-dugga it. All right, I got the ugga-dugga on deck, so I'm just gonna ugga-dugga this real quick. Okay, my ugga-dugga doesn't have that much power, so we're just gonna upgrade to a bigger ugga-dugga. All right, got the bigger ugga-dugga. Now once you got that, we're just gonna head and connect this bad boy. I'm gonna shoot this bad boy. He stands no chance. R.I.P. Shoot the seatbelt one. Alrighty, now the seatbelt one is actually giving me a little fight, so we're just gonna hop onto the ratchet. This is my extended ratchet, by the way. Just gonna give it a little bit up. Yeah. When your ugga-dugga can't take it off, this ugga-dugga can take it off. Boom, bada bing, bada bang. Make sure to get all your bolts. Want to be organized, you know? Something that I'm not. Honestly, the ways I've been doing this for years, I just break the damn plastics. I always break these clips, but since we're working on the M5, we're gonna take our time. If you guys are in the junkyard and you're just trying to get some seats off, go ahead and break it, man. I don't have an ugga-dugga for this, so with the power of editing, it'll be done quick. Okay, I forgot to mention when I signed out that these clips, pop these clips out. Boom. Voila! So with that off, I have to pop out this clip. This clip is always the tricky one. It's located right in the back of the seat. I can never really get off with just it being so smooth. It always has to fight me. But there's another clip that goes from the bottom, which is that one, close to the back of here. And then I unplug my lumbar support, my feet, for the footsies, for the legs. Now, with that being said, we're gonna pop it forward like this. Okay, maybe not. Okay, from the back side. So we pop it forward, undo those connectors. We also have to undo the seatbelt adjustment. So when you move your car, this actually goes to a little wire, and then it adjusts this bad boy. So we're gonna undo that, undo the electronics, and then push the seat out. Come on, you little fuck. God damn it. I know how the YouTube pros do it. They just don't show struggling. Alright. That's off. Got her done. Okay. The seats weigh like a cajillion pounds, so this is like kind of the hardest part. But in a sense, what you want to do is push it forward. Oh, god damn it. Now to lift these freaking heavy seats out. E34 seats are like so heavy. Yeah. Do work, son. And just like that, your sport seat is out. Oh, sick. Look, I got a little Black Panther. Dope. See that? Little Black Panther. He's gonna stay in the car. Alright, now, time to clean out this little bad boy. I think that was the first time it was ever taken out because it was zip tied. Usually the wires only zip tied, because usually people just break the wires. I mean, break the zip tie like I did. Little factory sticker, pretty cool. Time to vacuum this whole baby out. I'm gonna leave you guys there. If you guys wanna see more of why I'm even taking these seats out, just go ahead and subscribe or wait for the next video. It's gonna come out like this. Leather conditioning, right? Got the rag. We got some leather finishing dye. I'm gonna redo this whole seat, see how it comes out. Pretty stoked. If you guys want to see the results, The video should be out soon, but in the meantime, I just wanted to show you how to take out an E34C because it's good to share some information. And plus, I haven't been very educational in a while. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, that's famous YouTube stuff. See you guys in the future. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning all this carpet up and making this car look beauty. Because it's time I have one beautiful car, right? Right. Peace, y'all.